In this class, we are going to discuss about packing efficiency. This is the object of the class. What is packing efficiency? Very simple. As in the available space, how much space occupied by the particles. So this is, we are going to take as packing efficiency. It is defined as percentage of space filled by the particles is known as the percentage of space filled by the particles is called packing efficiency. As here we have three crystal systems, three unit cells: simple cube, face centered, body centered, end centered is not there. And these three we have to discuss about packing efficiency in these three unit cells. Yes, this is a frequently asking board examination in Karnataka state. Frequently asking 3 marks question in Karnataka. What is the information? Calculate the packing efficiency in simple cube. What is simple cube, dear students? Simple cubic unit cell. The particles are only arranged at corners of a cube. If you observe, this is a cube, and where are the particles occupied? Only at corners of a cube, known as simple cube or primitive unit cell. Now, take a diagram related to that one. You have to draw the diagram of a cube like this. Then, where are the particles present? The particles are present at adjacent corners like this. This is a particle along this corner, and along this another corner the particles both are in contact. Both are in contact, so better to draw like this. And here also same. As how are the two particles? They are in contact, and this is corner A and this is corner B. As AB is equal to edge length or length of an edge, that is denoted by letter A. Next, the radius of this sphere. This is the radius of the sphere what you are watching from B to some distance or A to some distance. So next, radius of this sphere. Radius of sphere. What is sphere? We are assuming the particles in the solid as hard spheres. So sphere, that is denoted by letter R. Now the relation between A and R. The relation between A and R. Edge length and radius of the atom. Yes, this is AB's edge length, that is equal to R plus R, 2R. So that is A is equal to 2R. As how will we get volume of the cube from mathematics? Volume of unit cell is denoted by, it is calculated as A into A into A, side length into side length into side length, that is A cube. A cube is substituted from above case, so 2R whole cube, that is equal to 8R cube. If you are comfortable, simplify here. Not comfortable, simplify at the end of the solution. Next, volume of the sphere. What is the information in mathematics? Volume of sphere. This is the knowledge in mathematics. a well-known formula 4/3 pi r cube. R is the radius of the sphere. Next, important point is number of atoms in the unit cell. Number of atoms in the unit cell. In unit cell. That is denoted by letter Z. For my case, no need to write Z here, and it is 1. How this is happened? The particles are at corners not completely belonging to the particles at corners not completely belonging to the same unit cell. This is shared by nearest unit cells. So after sharing, each corner has 1/8 portion, 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, 8 1/8 portions are present, and the answer is 8 1/8. 8 corners into 1/8, you will have 1. That is the answer. We are not going to calculate at this stage. Yes. Now we are rushing to important thing, that is formula of the compound to calculate packing efficiency. So packing efficiency is equal to what you have to write as numerator. How much space occupied by the particles, that is volume of this all spheres. Volume of all spheres in the unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell. This fraction is multiplied by 100. This is the space occupied by, available space occupied by the particles is known as percentage. Space occupied by the, filled by the particles is known as, by the particles is known as packing efficiency. Okay, substitution. Substitution. How many particles in this unit cell? How many particles in this unit cell? Once again, packing efficiency is equal to volume of all spheres divided by volume of unit cell multiplied by 100. Is one particle, that is here written, and volume is 4/3 pi r cube divided by volume of unit cell is a cube, that is nothing but 8r cube into 100, and it is after simplification pi/6 into 100, that is equal to 52.4. This is the answer you have to follow. Once again, I would like to explain. Is draw a diagram. Cube is taken. As you have to draw particle at this corner, at this adjacent corner. Both are in contact. AB distance is edge length. Edge length is equal to 2r. R radius of one sphere plus radius of another sphere, adjacent sphere. Then that is 2r. Volume of unit cell is a cube. 2r whole cube becomes 8r cube. Volume of the sphere, that is from mathematics, 4/3 pi r cube. The number of atoms in the unit cell, it is already calculated in the previous case. 8 into 8 corners shared with the portion is 1/8. 8 into 1/8 is 1. Now the formula is very important. The key points of this one. This is another one. This is third one. So maintain this one and possible to get 3 marks in the final Karnataka board examination. That is sufficient towards only half of this space, nearly half of this space filled by which type of unit cell? Simple cubic unit cell is the answer. Let us observe another one. Calculate packing efficiency in face-centered cubic unit cell. Nothing but FCC can also be named as cubic closed packing unit cell. That is, so it is also in Karnataka state frequently asking question, for 3 marks in the final board examination. And in this case, first diagram is to be taken. Just draw a cube. Yes, in FCC, what is the location of the particles? Where are the particles located? The particles are located at corners of a cube, that is, along with corners, center of the face. This is one face, this is another face. See here, this is one face, second face, third face, my side fourth face, top side fifth face, and bottom side sixth face. So, this is, here observe, this is corner, face centered and opposite corner. You have to draw like this, along face diagonal. This is a particle at corner, and this is face centered particle, and this is opposite corner. Yes. These two are opposite corners which are denoted by letter A and letter B, and C. AB is side length. See here, AB is side length. If you observe, this is A and C, AC, side length, and this is here running. This is taken, and that is AB, and this is BC. This you are watching BC, and this I am going to mark as dotted lines. That is BC, hypotenuse. Now, in triangle, so assume a triangle. This one, these dotted lines. So in triangle ABC, yes, hypotenuse square, as per Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So that is AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. In what way you are marking the name of the dots? Then in that way you have to follow. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Side square is denoted by A square, A. Side length is 1A square, 1A square. 2A square is the answer. 2A square. Now, AB is equal to under root of 2A square. That is equal to A root 2 or 2 root A. Yes. What is the length AB? AB is, this is the radius of the sphere, and middle sphere diameter 2r, and this is radius of the sphere. Therefore, r plus diameter 2r plus r, 4r. Therefore, AB is equal to 4r is equal to A root 2. We want finally A is equal to 4r by root 2 or 2 root 2r. This is a crucial step. After that, volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell. As usual in the previous case, that is A cube. A cube is equal to 2 root 2 r whole cube. That is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 2 root 2 into 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 3. This is 860 root 2 r cube. First step is over. Then volume of the sphere from mathematics. Volume of sphere. It is from mathematics. That is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next, number of atoms. This is crucial. Number of atoms in unit cell. In FCC unit cell. Okay, the heading is FCC, which is denoted by letter Z, and that is 4. How is it happened, dear students? 8 corners, contribution 1 at each corner, 6 face centers, 1 half at each face center contribution, then 1 plus 3, 4 is the answer. No need to explain in this case. That is separately discussed. For understanding purpose, I just recall, dear students. Then the important one is formula. That is, packing efficiency is equal to volume of all spheres. How many spheres? 4. All spheres over volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell. All spheres in unit cell, not in entire crystal, multiplied by 100. Next area is substitution. If this formula is failed to write, one mark will be reduced at the time of scheme of evaluating your paper. Yes, how many spheres? 4. Each sphere has volume 4 by 3 pi r cube over volume of the unit cell here 16 root 2 r cube. 16 root 2 r cube multiplied by 100. Yes, 16 get cancelled and it becomes r cube get cancelled. Pi by 3 root 2 into 100 is useful at the time of competitive examination. That equals to 74% of space occupied by filled by the particles. That is packing efficiency. I hope you followed. Once again, quick look at the information. These are the particles arranged face diagonal of the cube. This is face diagonal, corner, face centered, opposite corner, and this is A and B, what I marked, and this is C. AC is one side, BC is another side, and AB is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. You will have face diagonal. This is face diagonal. Already studied in mathematics. And next, AB is equal to 4r. This is the radius of the sphere, and 2r diameter of the sphere, and this is the radius of the sphere. Total length is 4r. So 4r is equal to root a root 2, and a is equal to 2 root 2 r, or 4 by root 2, which is comfortable to you, that you have to follow here. Then volume of unit cell as usual a cube, side into side, then that becomes 16 root r cube. Then volume of the sphere from mathematics 4 pi r cube. After that, number of atoms in the FCC is 4. 8 corners into 1 by 8 after contribution 1. 6 face centers into 1 by 2 after contribution 3. 1 plus 3, 4 is the answer, which is generally denoted in next coming topic is Z, that is denoted by packing efficiency is the formula previously taken. Volume of all spheres in the unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell multiplied by 100, you will get final answer 74%. In HCP, arrangement is quite different. In hexagonal closed packing unit cell, arrangement of particles is entirely different. Why? Because the particles are arranged in hexagon like this. Then in the middle, a triangular void, like that it is happening, and the calculation is entirely different. Finally, in HCP, packing efficiency is also 74%, but not as calculated in FCC or CCP. Calculation is different, but final answer is same. So, in FCC, CCP and HCP, what is the packing efficiency? 74% of space filled by the particles is the idea. You just remember for competitive point of view. The next one is frequently asking 3 marks question in the Karnataka board examination. Calculate the packing efficiency in body-centered cubic unit cell BCC. How is the diagram? Very simple. Your patience is needed. Just draw a cube as usual from the previous 2 cases. And how are the particles arranged? The particles are arranged like this. Just watch here. This is a corner and this is center of the cube, and this is opposite corner. See here, these two are opposite corners where I am holding opposite corners, and in between corners that is center of the room in your view, and cube in case of this one. So this is corner of a cube, this is the middle of the cube, that is body centered, and this is opposite corner. This is A and this is B, and this is C here. Between B and C, what is observed? See here, this is a corner, this is opposite corner, and the line is going in this way, and we have to take another one in order to get the triangle. Here you have to take this one. Face diagonal is to be taken, that I would like to show here. Face diagonal, that is between B and C. Yes, B and C is face diagonal. Yes, that is equal to root 2a. Next, AB is equal to 4r. Next, AC is equal to A. Now, in triangle, what is that one? ABC. Hypotenuse square, that is AB square. AB square is equal to side square plus side square. Of course, face diagonal square plus AC square, that is AC square plus BC square. AC how much, sir? A. And BC how much? Root 2a whole square. Yes, that becomes A square plus root 2 into root 2, 2 A into A square. As 1a square, 2a square, total 3a square is the information. Yes, then AB is equal to under root of 3a square, that is equal to a root 3. But AB is equal to r plus, that is radius of the sphere. Yes, r, this is radius of the sphere, 2r, diameter of the sphere r, 4r, that is equal to a root 3. But we want a is equal to 4r divided by root 3 is important relation. Okay, next, as usual, volume of unit cell is equal to a cube, that is equal to 4r by root 3 whole cube becomes 4 into 4 into 4, 16 4s are 64 r cube divided by root 3 into root 3 into root 3, 3 root 3. That is your perfect in mathematics, no problem. Next, volume of sphere, that is from mathematics, as usual the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Good. Next, number of atoms, this is crucial one. Number of atoms in BCC unit cell, which is denoted by letter Z. For my convenience, no need of writing Z here at this stage, and that is 2. How is 2? 8 corners into 1 by 8 after contribution, and 1 body center cannot be shared. 8 into 1 by 8 is 1, and 1 body center, 1 plus 1, 2 is the final number, which is familiar by you, familiar to you. And now, formula, packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is equal to volume of all spheres in unit cell. Volume of all spheres in unit cell divided by volume of unit cell multiplied by 100. Then after substitution, what is obtained, dear students? All particles, 2 particles into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 64 r cube. I would like to write here instead of in this small area. Is equal to that is 2 particles into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by this is 64 r cube over 3 root 3 into 100. Yes. If you are good at mathematics, then answer is 2 into 4, 8, 8 are 3 3 cancelled, r cube cancelled, and what is obtained? As root 3 goes upside, root 3 pi by 8 into 100 is useful for quantitative point of view, that is equal to 68%. Once again, take a quick look at this information. The particles are arranged body centered, corner of a cube and center of the body. You have to write one corner, middle of the cube and opposite corner. Then you will get a triangle. After this, the relation between edge length A and radius of the sphere A is equal to 4r by root 3 and volume of unit cell, that is mathematics. The number of atoms per unit cell is 2 and volume of sphere is also mathematics, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Less mathematics, more some mathematics, some chemistry here, both are mixed. Number of atoms, that is remembering by the student as 2, and packing efficiency is a formula everyone should write. Some students fail to write the formula and substitution, that is not correct here student. So that is, after substitution you will have a nice information, that is root 3 pi by 8 into 100, that is 68%. That is end of another question. Calculate the packing efficiency in body centered cubic unit cell. These three important towards Karnataka state students who are studying here towards board examination. As towards competitive point of view, let us take some comparison. This is a unit cell type. The type of unit cell is simple cube, primitive unit cell. As in this simple unit cell, how is A and R related? As the particles are at adjacent corners, the length is between two corners A and R plus R to R. So that is A is equal to 2R. Then volume of unit cell is A cube. Volume of unit cell is A cube. This is 8R cube. Then number of atoms per unit cell is 1. 8 corners into 1 by 8. Then packing efficiency is pi by 6 into 100. That is 52.4. Nearest neighbors is equal to A. As this is a particle, both are adjacent corners, both are at adjacent corners, and the distance, nearest neighbor distance is equal to edge length, in which case simple cube. Next one is face centered or cubic close packing. Here what is the relation previously taken? 4r is equal to root 2a, a is equal to 2 root 2r, and this is 4, 8, 16 root 2 r cube. Next, number of particles is 4. 8 corners into 1 by 8 is 1. 6 space centers after sharing half of, then that is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. And here the answer is, how much answer we got? That is, I would like to do quickly here. 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube by, this is 16 root 2 r cube. 16 is this. This is pi by 3 root 2 into 100. That gives you 74% of space filled by the particles. As nearest neighbors. Nearest neighbors, where are they? The total length is face diagonal is root 2. Root 2a. That is divided into half. So, therefore, that is root 2 into a. That should be half. That is called nearest neighbors. Nearest neighbors. Last one, BCC. BCC, a is equal to 4r by root 3. As that becomes 64r cube by 3 root 3. As after simplification, what is resulted? After simplification, as I have poor memory, I would like to substitute here and simplify and get the answer. That is, the number of particles is 2. Before 2, here it is 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 64 r cube over 3 root 3. 3 cancelled. 64, that is 8 are. Then it becomes, this becomes 3 root pi. Root 3 pi by 8. Number of particles is 2. Nearest neighbors. How is the nearest neighbor? That is a body diagonal is. Body diagonal is 4r is equal to root 3a. That is a half. Root 3a is exactly half. That is sufficient, dear students. Have a good luck.